Hey guys, wanted to show my Matchbox Zipper Wallet. This is my smallest zipper wallet that I have. It's designed to hold 6 cards or so, up to maybe 14 cards. It's a little bit of a stretch getting 14 in there, but I have this one loaded up with 14 cards and 2 or 3 quartered bills. It's really simple. There's no organization in this wallet, so you have to thumb through to figure out which card you want to use. I started making zipper wallets in the first place because I'm always trying to reduce the layers of leather in my products. So that's my big focus. And when I add a zipper on the wallet, then it can be 2 layers of leather plus the contents equals your total thickness of your wallet. So it helps keep them nice and thin. So there you can see the total thickness of the wallet. Boom. I make it right here in Norfolk, Virginia. This is my workshop. Super high quality. I hand sew them, and it's full grain leather. Hope you like it. Matchbox Zipper Wallet.